Hujambo na karibu, mimi ni Sam Amani. Serikali imetoa mwongozo wa kuzingatiwa msimu huu wa Krismasi. Akizungumza mapema leo hii, waziri katika makatibu katika Wizara ya Usalama Raymond Omolo amewahakikishia Wakenya kwamba wameweka mikakati ya kutosha, akisisitiza kwamba watu wawe waangalifu dhidi uhalifu.
Good morning. All the multi-agency command centers to be manned on a 24-hour basis, and this means that all the officers that have been deployed, the 10,000 plus, are directed to resume duty with immediate effect. The National Police Service, working together with the county security and intelligence committees, to develop the festive season operation orders for purposes of coordinating the security operations within all the 47 counties. The National Police Service, in conjunction with the National Transport and Safety Authority, to enforce compliance of traffic rules by all private motorists and commercial passenger vehicles. All border control agencies to secure security at all exit and entry points, ensuring smooth movement of passengers within the Border Control Operations and Coordination Committee. The National Police Service and the National Alcohol Control Committee to activate nationwide crackdown on drugs and illicit brews. All of 10,317 officers have been deployed for this exercise.
Kwingineko, Rais William Ruto ameidhinisha mswada uliofanyiwa mabadiliko